We're going to use this to degas this. So stick around. Alright, I got 6 gallons of wine here. It's ready for one of the last steps, and that's to degas, get all the CO2 that's trapped in the wine from the fermentation process. We need to release that, or else it won't clear very well. So let me give this a quick spray, and I'll show you what I've come up with. Alright, so everybody's seen this, I'm sure. It's a mash paddle, and normally this end has a bit on it that would fit in the old style glass carboys, and you can get it in there and stir it. Well, I've cut that bit off, and in a 1/2-inch chuck drill, fits right in there. And obviously you wouldn't be able to do this if you had it in a original necked carboy, but I guess you could cut the big end off and use the little end. But anyway, let's get some CO2 out of here. There you go. See the CO2 on the top, and I got some fining agents to put in there, and there you go. I just want to show you an easy way to degas your wine with something that you probably already have in your arsenal. So, cheers.